Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Facebook experience and stop those constant activity notifications from your page, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable your activity notifications on your Facebook page using your PC, all based on the latest Facebook update. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and head over to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with all your pages and profiles. Next, select the page you want to manage by clicking on its profile photo. This will switch you over to your page view. Now, you're managing your page as an admin. Once you're on your page, look for your page's profile photo again at the top right. Click on it, and you'll see a menu appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings menu for your page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of options. Click on Notifications. This is where you can control all the notifications related to your page. Scroll down until you find the option labeled More Activity About You. Click on it to expand the section. Here's the important part. You'll see an option called Allow Notifications on Facebook. By default, this is usually turned on. Simply toggle this setting off. Once you do, Facebook will stop sending you notifications about your activity on your page. And that's it. You've just disabled activity notifications for your Facebook page. Now, you can enjoy a cleaner, less distracting Facebook experience, focusing only on what matters most to you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.